At this moment in time, I'd like to recognize the Cape Coral Quarter Auction Queens, Rusty's Bar and Grill, all the participating vendors, and our donors. The Best Buddies Quarter Auction was a success, and the Inclusion Revolution is underway. Big thank you to Kathleen Collard from Bridge IT Movement for her generous donation of gift cards. Visit bridgeitmovement.com to learn how to build a bridge between traditional insurance and holistic health practices. Thank you, Susan Simmons, for that fall coffee basket. And I'd also like to recognize Tina Lewis for the donation of the photo session. Cody Austin for Vocational Rehabilitation Cape Coral donated not 1, but 3 baskets, a dog basket, a garden basket, and a Fitbit basket. With your support, we were able to earn a total of $800 towards our goal on the night. On behalf of Best Buddies International and all those working to end the isolation of those living with IDD, I thank you for your contributions. Together we are making a difference as we develop programs that will unite and educate individuals. With a loving understanding, we can build empathy for another and make this world richer. The campaign is still young, so please stick with us and continue to show your support as we work to reach our goal of $5,000. Stay tuned, this campaign is just getting underway. As always, love someone today at Mark Drew Speaks. Peace.